Hey guys, welcome back to Vlogger124. Today we're going to be doing something a little different and actually upgrading some RAM in a computer. Most commonly the Acer, because, well, I need to run some virtual machines for some future videos and stuff on the Acer. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing for today, and yeah, I thought it would be a little bit more fun than what we usually do on this channel. So yeah, and also before we get started in this video, I want to apologize for not uploading it often because I have been busy with other stuff. So yeah, without further ado, let's upgrade the RAM. So the RAM that we're going to be upgrading is in the Acer computer. I'm pretty sure I've told you in the introduction. I really can't remember. But yeah, so we're going to be putting this in the computer. It's a Crucial 4 gig stick. It's 24 megahertz DDR4 with notebook memory, because the Acer is a small form factor computer, so that's why it takes that. But before we do that, we are going to benchmark it. So I'm just going to turn the Acer on and see how long it takes to boot. So yeah, it is turning on now. We're just going to, as a benchmark, we're going to load up the settings app, which, because usually it is a bit slower to load up. So yeah, boot times have gotten pretty quick on this computer, as I have cleaned it up a lot with its junk off of it. So yeah. On the logon screen as well, it takes a bit of a while to load up. So yeah. So it's welcoming us to Windows 10. As that is what we are running on this computer now. We are going to put an SSD and upgrade this computer to Windows 11 in the future. So yeah, I'll just be right back since I have to do something real quick, and then yeah, we can open up the settings app. Hey guys, I am back now. Camera's starting to go out of focus. So without further ado, let's open up settings. So if we click on settings, update and security, that's how long it takes to get to settings now. And let's, for example, launch, what else can we launch? Windows search maybe, since that takes a while to properly load. Wow, it's taking a while. So yeah, before we turn off this computer, I'm just going to show you guys in Task Manager what the performance looks like in the RAM. So it's using 2 gigs out of the 4 gigabytes that's already in here. Yeah, so without further ado, I'm just gonna shut this computer down and we can get to upgrading the RAM. So yep, just gonna pause this video real quick. Hey guys, so yeah, we're gonna upgrade its RAM now. So I'm just gonna unplug the Acer from power, as we need to like drain out all its energy. So I'm just going to hold that power button down for 15 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So yeah, so the safe measure, always hold down the power button so it gets rid of all the energy that's still going around on the computer. So yeah, there's that computer's lovely internals. That's the hard drive. So, and there, that is the current RAM in there. So yeah, let's get to upgrading it. So I'm just going to wipe my hands real quick to make sure there's no moisture on them. Yeah, so this is the RAM. I'm just going to open up real quick. So there, I have it open now. I'll just wipe my hands real quick as well. So there is the RAM, and let's put it in. So there, both chips are on, and it is pushed in all the way. So let's plug the hard drive back in. and then put its cover back on. Yes, then we can power it up now. So I'll also unplug the computer as well. So plug that back in. And yeah, I will just switch back over to the monitor, and yeah. So here we are facing the monitor now, and let's power it back on. So I've gone for the fans for a bit longer. So I spin them up, and it is booting. So yeah, it now has officially 8 gigs of RAM in it, but let's see what Task Manager says. Okay, so yeah, let's see what Task Manager says. Now once we put more RAM in it, does take a bit of a while to complete its first boot, if you know what I mean. So yeah, let's wait for it to complete its first boot, and then you can do a boot test as well after this. So I will pause the computer now, the video now, so I'll let it boot up. We'll log into Windows and see what Task Manager says, and then yeah. So then after that we can do a boot test. Yeah, so see you guys then. So just to show you guys real quick, it is running 8 gigs of RAM. I'm just going to zoom in real quick. So yes, it is running 8 gigs of RAM now, which is great. So the second stick of RAM is this one. So it is running at a slightly slower speed of 2133 megahertz for some odd reason. It is slot speed 2 out of 2, and then paged up is 114 megabytes. Committed is 1.7 out of 9.2, and used is 1.7 gigs. So that is now a lot better. It's just the HDD now slowing this thing down. So yeah, we are going to upgrade the HDD in the future to a 60 gig SSD, which I have found in some spare computers. So yeah, let's, now without further ado, I will power this my tripod is now slightly off-settling a bit, so, oh god. So my tripod is not the most stable thing in the world, so I'm going to hold it. So let's power it down. And I will also redo my tripod. I'll just pause this video real quick. Hey guys, so now we are able to do a boot test now, as I have fully powered off the computer. Let's power it back on. So as we can see, it is going a lot more quicker now with those 8 gigs of RAM. Come on, you can load it up. Okay, that login prompt is a lot faster as well. So then let's go to the Windows Update page now as well. So after this finishes logging on. Sorry, I hate showing you the start menu, guys, but yeah. So settings is loading up. Windows Update page. Come on, Windows. Come on, Windows. Come on, Windows. This computer isn't connected to internet, so again, it doesn't meet the Windows 11 system requirements. But I figured out a little trick with this computer. If you have the product key already registered to a computer, it will automatically bypass the TPM check. So yeah, that's how we're gonna upgrade to Windows 11 on this computer and put an SSD in here. So yes, guys. So yeah. So this is it for now. I'm gonna say sorry again for not uploading, as I have been busy. There aren't gonna be any normal upload schedules from here on out either. So yeah. See you guys next time, and yeah, hope you guys have a good day or weekend or whatever. So see you guys later. Bye.